Alright, y'all, we're at the Great Trade Show in Wheaton. We are doing good. A lot of good stuff here. A lot of great trains. I kind of put it out on CW Rock and Rails that I was coming up here today to Wheaton to experience this great train show. It's my first time going to one. They have a lot of the old school ones, so I think these are HO scale. I'm more in scale technically than I do. So there's a lot. There's a lot. Old signals.
Well, that would always be that.
So they have old signals, a lot of old trains like the Rock Island Railroad, Santa Fe, all of that, Burlington Northern, all that, all from different scales. But we got it. So,
Hi there.
hello. Got Chicago Western. Okay, weird. It's Norfolk and Western.
I don't remember. It might have been in the documentary.
Yeah.
But isn't that
Houses.
Isn't that something?
For stuff that like the future layout I'm trying to do is what I'm trying to do is a future layout on the Northern Illinois technically, but I want to do it on the Union Pacific Geneva sub and the BNSF Aurora sub. So there's a lot. So there is a lot. Unless if I try to do like more like other subdivisions, like I don't know, Kansas City, like I want to do mine. I want to do is technically from Clinton to Chicago, and Chicago Western. And some Chicago Western, Santa Fe. Yeah. Yeah. Other locomotives, you got Santa Fe, BNSF, Amtrak. Mostly some Thompson train cars, got Lightning McQueen cars. If you guys are a fan of cars or ever watched the Pixar movie Cars, I have a lot of times. That's one of my. Houses, old train cars as well, so I'll do a video right after I get back. We got a Southern Pacific diesel train on the track. It's got a little layout running over there. They got a Metro train and an Amtrak train. And I think they got Henry. And they got Henry from Thomas the Train. Oh yeah. great experience.
The stuff is brought in. I don't know where it was put.
The stuff is someone's in here?
Because it's not in the trailer anymore.
Are we allowed to run it? Or there's a remote. Are we allowed to run?
Oh, a remote. There's a remote over there. Give me a minute. I'll grab it.
Alright.
I'll go look for it.
So, it's like the Southern Pacific train stop.
Alright.
They also have.
We got enough trains here, guys? Let's
We got 4 trains out.
yeah, that's enough.
We got some signals. So technically, when you're running a layout, you gotta have signals on your.
No more trains.
That's what I was trying to do. I was trying to clean up the trains.
So technically, what most of the subdivisions will do, they will put layouts. Normally, they'll have signals on there because they'll have all green, clear, and yellow means and the red one means that they're not good to run. So technically, they have is Southern Pacific, Amtrak, and also a metro train with like one train car.
We'll have to keep our eye on it.
Well, we're on the other part of the train show in another building.
Yeah, I got it.
So let's check it out.
That's kind of
That's cool.
Oh, you got animals? People?
What's that, a video, Mom?
Huh?
My video?
Yeah. Got all different. You can get a train guy, a runner.
This is for my YouTube page. What's that, Mom?
Hi.
Here's my mom.
283. Yeah, they got, look at it. It's kind of cool.
These are
Water
water
pumps,
pumps.
mailboxes.
So they have a lot of HO scale, but they have a
Picnic tables.
well.
Sitting people for picnic tables.
Honestly, this train show is like, it's a really cool experience. Like, if you really want to go to one, coming up, like for one, make sure if you want to go to one, this is a really awesome experience. It's an awesome experience to check out other scales, and they have, a lot of different trains. It's like, this is technically like I'm shopping on trainworld.com, but if they had a store, I would say if they had a store, because you get all these different scales of trains that they have, because this is really cool. This is a cool experience. This is a cool experience. As you guys know, that some of you that are new that watch my channel, I do put stuff on my layout. Sometimes I do and make shorts of it. So I like to showcase it sometimes, my trains as well that I have at home. And I technically do a lot of rail fanning. If you watch to see the trains I catch, because this is like the coolest thing, because where we're at right now, we're like off the Geneva sub. We're like technically off the Geneva sub. Like when I first got here, you can see like the Geneva sub because I saw like the train cars going by. But they have a
These expansion tracks
a
work well for this scenario.
they got another
When you're doing your own, you got to use the exact
layout
same one
thing.
in every location. You can't intermingle.
but they have the, so I think these ones they have the train horns, but mine technically mine I don't really think they technically have the train horns technically. Well,